Recovery of possession of property, sections 5 to 8. The provisions relating to recovery of possession of property are contained in sections 5 to 8 of the Specific Relief Act, 1963. These sections deal with the right of a person to recover possession of immovable or movable property when he has been unlawfully dispossessed. The main purpose of these provisions is to protect lawful possession and prevent people from taking the law into their own hands. Section 5. Recovery of possession of immovable property. Section 5 provides that a person who has a better title to immovable property can recover its possession through a regular suit. The plaintiff must prove his legal right or ownership over the property. The court decides the case based on title, and possession is granted to the person who proves a superior legal right. This section follows the principle that possession follows title. Example: an owner can file a suit to recover land from a trespasser. Section 6. Suit by person dispossessed of immovable property. Section 6 protects a person who has been wrongfully dispossessed of immovable property without his consent and otherwise than in due course of law. Under this section, the court does not examine title, but only checks whether the plaintiff was in possession and was unlawfully dispossessed. The suit must be filed within 6 months from the date of dispossession. No appeal or review is allowed under this section. Purpose: to discourage forcible dispossession and maintain public order. Section 7. Recovery of specific movable property. Section 7 allows a person entitled to possession of specific movable property to recover it. The court may order the return of the actual movable property instead of compensation. This applies where the movable property is unique or has special value to the owner. Example: recovery of a particular document, book, or valuable article. Section 8. Liability of person in possession of movable property. Section 8 provides that a person in possession of movable property without lawful justification is liable to return it to the person entitled to possession. If return is not possible, the court may award compensation. This section ensures that no one wrongfully retains movable property belonging to another. Conclusion. Sections 5 to 8 of the Specific Relief Act, 1963 provide effective remedies for the recovery of possession of property. These provisions protect lawful possession, prevent unlawful dispossession, and promote justice by ensuring that disputes are resolved through courts rather than by force. Understanding these sections is very important, especially for questions related to property rights and specific relief.